Starting from scratch on YouTube can feel like climbing a mountain. But guess what? It's totally possible to hit your first 1,000 subscribers in just 30 days. In this video, I'll break down in 7 steps and one huge YouTube secret how you can do it. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your niche. First things first, you need to choose a specific niche. Don't try to appeal to everyone. Instead, focus on a target audience. Ask yourself, what topics am I passionate about? What problems can I solve for others? By narrowing down your content, you'll attract the right viewers who are more likely to stick around and subscribe. Step 2. Plan viral-worthy content. Focus on creating content that's searchable and shareable. Look for trending topics in your niche or answer frequently asked questions. Use tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, or VidaQ to find keywords your audience is searching for. Also, you can try VidaQ for free with my link in the description. Plan at least 8-10 video ideas that you can execute in a month. Each video should have a strong hook, clear value, and a call to action to subscribe. So if you didn't subscribe yet, you should do it now. Step 3. Optimize your videos for discovery. You can create the most amazing video, but if it's not optimized, no one will find it. Titles should be compelling and keyword-rich to grab attention. Thumbnails need to be bright, bold, and clickable to stand out. Descriptions should include relevant keywords and links to other videos or playlists to keep viewers engaged. Tags are essential and should use accurate and relevant keywords to help YouTube understand your content. Think of these elements as your video's packaging. The better it looks, the more people will click. Step 4. Leverage shorts and trends. YouTube Shorts are a goldmine right now. Post quick, engaging, and value-packed shorts to tap into a broader audience. Trends also play a massive role in gaining visibility quickly. If there's a trending challenge, meme, or topic in your niche, jump on it and make it your own. Also, you can make shorts from your long-form video. This way, you will have more content and more chance to find your audience. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Engagement is the secret sauce to growing fast. Respond to every comment, ask questions in your videos, and encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. The more interaction your videos get, the more YouTube pushes them to new viewers. Step 6. Promote your channel everywhere. Don't rely solely on YouTube to promote your content. Share your videos on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Join niche communities or forums and share your expertise while linking back to your channel. You can learn from other creators in the same niche, which should boost your chances to grow faster. Everybody have different experience on YouTube, so never compare your video performance to other creators. Step 7. Analyze and adapt. Finally, regularly check your YouTube analytics to see what's working and what's not. Pay attention to metrics like audience retention, click-through rate, and traffic sources. Double down on what's performing well and tweak the rest. For example, if you made the best video in the world, but your thumbnail is bad, your CTR will stop you from success. And if your thumbnail is really good and has a really high CTR like 10%, but your video sucks, the viewers will click away too early, so YouTube will stop showing your video to others. Try to learn from your mistakes and work on your least performing skills. Also, don't check YouTube Studio too often. I can tell you, nothing will happen in 10 minutes. I know because I did that when I started. Bonus tip: account. I found a really big secret about YouTube that other gurus never say. If you create a new YouTube account for your channel, your videos will reach 0 people since it's a fresh account, and YouTube doesn't trust it yet. If you have an older account, at least 1 or 2 months old, it will be safe to start. I tested it with 2 accounts and the same content. The fresh account got 1 or 2 views in a month, but the older account got around 20,000 with the exact same content. It's not a wrote-down thing that YouTube doesn't trust new accounts. But I tested it and it worked like that. It doesn't mean that you can't start with a totally new account, but it will be harder to start, and it can stop you from making content. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to hit your first 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. Remember, consistency and persistence are your best friends. Also, you can watch my other video about how much I make as a gaming YouTuber. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more YouTube growth tips, and let me know in the comments what your biggest takeaway was. See you in the next one.